Have a nice day. As usual, I'm going to present another useful video to you. It's an advanced level maths lessons for Edexcel, AQA and Cambridge students. I know it's a very useful to you, so let's watch it until the end. Let's move to today's video, manipulating indices. This is not a hard lesson, but you should be aware of the way to answer the problems in the exams. I'm going to talk about some hard problems related to indices. Actually, these kinds of problems are very common in the exams. In here, you should have the basic knowledge of some powers of the basic numbers such as 64, 81, 225 and so on. Then let's move to the problems. And the other thing you should be aware of is the rules of indices. As I mentioned earlier, you should know the powers of 81 and 256. I mean, you should express 81 as a power of some relevant number and 256 should also be done so. Most of people are inquiring about my classes. If you want any information, just dial the number given below. Let's see how to solve this problem and obtain the answer. Alright, you should first write 81 as well as 256 as a power of some relevant number to the following. Yes, 81 can be written as 3 to the power 4 and 256 can be written as 2 to the power 8. It's clear the 81 in blue color and 256 is in red color. Next, there is a power of a power. Now you should simplify that. There is 2 to the power 8 into half is equal to 2 to the power 4. 2 to the power 8 into half is equal to 2 to the power 4. Right? Now you have 3 to the power 4 into 2 to the power 4. This can be written as 2 into 3 to the power 4. Like this. 2 into 3 is 6. Then again we will get the power of a power. That is 6 to the power 4 into 1 upon 4. Finally, you will get the answer as 6. 4 into 1 upon 4 is 1. Then the answer is 6. Let's move ahead. This is the second problem. What is the difference between this problem and the previous one? There are two types of terms here. One is a numerical term and the other one is an algebraic term. 64 and 625 are numerical terms here. X to the power 12 and x to the power 8 are algebraic terms. Got it? Shall we solve the problem now? As usual, write 64 as 4 to the power 3. This can be written as 2 to the power 6 too, but it's better to write as 4 to the power 3. Okay? Similarly, 625 can be written as 5 to the power 3. Now simplify numerical terms and algebraic terms separately. Then it comes as 4 to the power 3 into 2 upon 3, that is into 2/3. and the algebraic terms x to the power 12 into 2 upon 3 in the second brackets. In the second brackets, the negative power can be written as positive power, so it's equal to 1 upon the given power. It also can be written as a division. You see, that means divide the first bracket by the second bracket. Now simplify. Yes, 4 to the power 3 into 2 upon 3 can be written as 4 to the power 2 here. X to the power 12 into 2 third can be written as x to the power 8. Consider the denominator. Denominator is this. Then the denominator is the 5 to the power 4 into 1 upon 4. Here also power of a power, and the algebraic term also a power of a power, that is x to the power 8 into 1 upon 4. Now the numerator is not changed. Consider the denominator. Here 5 to the power 4 into 1 upon 4 is 5. X to the power 8 into 1 upon 4 is x to the power 2. Now you have to follow the rules of division of indices. Then 4 to the power 2 is 16, then 16 upon 5, and the rules of division x to the power 8 minus 2. Then finally you will get the answer as 16x to the power 6 upon 5. 16x to the power 6 upon 5. This is the final answer. Now we have come to the last problem. This one is little bit different to the previous problems. What's the difference? An equation is given here. You have got to find R is in terms R. You have to find R in terms of P and Q. Even though the powers of 10 are not equal in the given equation. You see? First write 10 to the power 9 as 10 to the power 2 into 10 to the power 7. Here 10 to the power 9, it can be written as 10 to the power 2 into 10 to the power 7. Now 10 to the power 6 is a common factor in all these three terms. Now you can solve the equation. The expression in the left hand side can be written as 10 to the power 2p plus q. 10 to the power 7 is the common factor of these two terms. And right hand side you can write in the same way. Then you can get the final answer. I mean R as 10 to the power 2p plus q. Finally, R is equal to 10 to the power 2 is 100. Then R is equal to 100p plus q. This is the final answer. You should try it, right? I have presented many videos such as easy calculations, O-level, A-level lessons, IQ and so on. You can watch these videos over the following link. If you find my videos valuable for you, the best thing you should do is to have my YouTube channel subscribed. Let's meet again to another valuable video. Good luck.